Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today I am going to discuss with you few benefits of F&O. First benefit is leverage. Leverage means with minimum amount you can buy more quantity of shares. Just by paying margin money you can book entire lot. So whatever profit loss will be there, it will be on entire amount. But by investing minimum, there is a scope for getting more money. Second one is market lot. So F&Os are available in lot size, which is decided by stock exchange. So you cannot buy one or two share. It will be as per the lot. Third, there is a fixed contract period of either 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. So as per your requirement, you can buy particular lot. Squaring up, you can square up your position till the expiry of your contract, and there is a fixed expiry. So F&O will get expired at the last Thursday of every month. Last Thursday of every month it will get expired. So your 3 months contract become then 2 months, 2 months becomes 1 month. So accordingly it will get expired. And the main advantage is with minimum capital you can earn more, but there is a risk of loss also. So when you invest in F&O, set a limit for loss. Stop loss is must. So I hope you like this information. So please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.